Hi everybody, this is Beachcricket, and I'm in Channel Babe. There's little Riley right there. You gonna say hi, Riley? Huh? You gonna say hi? I guess not. Anyway, we're gonna go on a hike this morning at our new camp location, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. So I hope you're going to enjoy a moment of beauty, 'cause a hike is always a lot of fun. All right, let's get going. Now this is the beautiful trail that we're going to take this morning. Isn't that gorgeous? Alrighty, let's get going. Let's go. Come on, go. There goes Riley. Go, Riley, go. Go, Riley, go. Go, Roxy. Go, 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 go. I wonder who lives in there. Roxy, you better get out of there. It might get you. Remember to always wear your good hiking boots because, you know, you don't want to slip, you don't want to fall, you don't want to hurt yourself. You can't really tell on my socks. These are my little camping socks. It says don't feed the bears, and it has little tents and trees all over them. They're really fun. Anyway, let's get back to the walk. Now where we're at is super quiet. There's this is actually an ATV trail. It's only busy on the weekends, but that's why when I get these opportunities, I let the dogs off lead, and it's early in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so the predators are usually not out at this time, and that way I can let them free range and have some fun just like me. So it's just gorgeous out here. I'm loving it. It's warm. It's probably right now in late 80s. It will get up in the high 90s, but where I'm located at, it's nice and comfortable. There's not any places around here that it's been really hot. And this area, believe it or not, has water. So you'll be, stay tuned for that because you'll be seeing that beauty too. You know how I love water. Hey, after all, I'm the Beachcricket. All right, onward. And I just love to stop and see nature's art. Isn't this pretty? I think so. It's gorgeous. Had to snap a few pictures of this one. Yeah. The girls love climbing up these hills, these rock formations. Didn't Riley look so cute up there? You know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. You've heard that most of your life. And I was first really astounded and shocked that I fell in love with the desert. Just love this. And I'm drawn to it. But I have to have water every now and then. I have to play in the water because I do love splashing and swimming. Now what you're seeing is erosion. And this is a wash. Water caused this. The power of nature. Wow, these guys are really busy this morning. See how nature makes these little washes? The power of water. Yep. They're all over the place. And here's a very good reason why you need good hiking boots. There's rocks everywhere. Makes it a little hard to go tromping through here without some good hiking boots. Wow, look at that. Look, a beautiful piece of quartz. It's fun seeing all the different rocks out here. I love it. The terrain varies here, as you can see. Some big old rocks in this area. Yep, a lot of fun. This is what this plant looks like when it's alive. And this is what it looks like when it's dead. Interesting, huh? Those things are sharp too. Woo! Roxy's always looking for lizards. You gonna find one, Riley? Roxy? Where's Riley? Oh, I see her. She's right behind you. Riley, you gonna find a lizard too? The girls are on the hunt. They're having fun. Wow, you hear that? Sounds of nature. Okay, and I've never seen one of these before. And what it is, it's a weather system. That's pretty neat, isn't it? Awesome. So as you can see, woo, lots of beauty around here in the deserts. And it's just gorgeous to be able to take a trail hike through here and look around and experience all this magic. Gosh, I love my life. I'm sure the girls love theirs too. I hope you're enjoying this. I sure am. And the diversity of all the different rocks and the sediment and how it all comes together is very intriguing. And look, right behind there is a little rock dog named Roxy. Hi, baby. Yeah. I put this one up on this rock. Isn't it pretty? I like all the reds. Lots of rocks. You like it here, Roxy? Yeah. Say, I'm going to go explore some more. This is fun. They're loving it. Gorgeous, isn't it? Another thing that's really fun, you can probably see the wind blowing through my hair, is that these mountains here are great. You get wind. I like the wind. You get wind streaming through here, so it makes it fun for a hike, and it also gives you protection from these rocks, protection from the sun, and because coming down here it was wide open, and it was a little warm. I mean, it's only in the 80s. It's going to get warmer though. But coming out here and exploring all of this, yeah, it gives you protection from the sun and you get to have fun. Wow, it's a win-win, isn't it? Love it. All right, let's get going. Wow. Well, I guess I'll just end the video here. I hope that you enjoyed the exploring like I did. Just enjoyed it so much. And, you know, get out there, wake up and live. Have your adventures, enjoy your life. And Nomad Life rocks. So, we'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this today. And I'm saying Beachcricket out. Bye.